Sina, certainly, you know, I'm here.
Rabia, Uboson Yassassi, Doimu Yadawasi. Wahumabo, anyone Munti, a rabbi, put your quaff now the Yaba. Corofobia, my Yaba, be called a woman, but be a cancer. Ye never see some boys in his uncle for, and so we go. A job is slow. Tia, my Cassian, but be a no. The only someone who some in Canada about Tayabu. Corofobia, other than any. But some is not a cock, other than any coin. President Slow, other than any. Whatever you do so Corofobia decay. And don't think no me a class a pass your 10 year maybe a chance and yes you be quiet. To be surround me and trust some Corofobia. Over to be trust to my problem who rabi. The uncle signed that check. To the nipa working at the war. Na the nipa be a so benya ho kontabu na check. One bill, everybody so. This will be the got the pair, and was so that. Will be the toss and got him Kuma also, the old dear wood. The Nippon Suba, the 300 better than your Baconachi. And no one was my young Concord when the road can't travel for your son. Christ, over. The social the old is all giant as everybody said Jata. What about the said giant young collaborative Butu, no more for whom we go. So say we did Jata to be a member. The Yansanin here, one fan sacrament. To have my embrace, a fake coba na feature, not fake coba. So said the public curiosity have been a make no young fan about my own deck. If you do one year in a or the sovereign son, what the Hunumawa or keep some of your pa, but in Yana Brabamo. Johnny Amina song is all right. So home back. But I was so Jimmy. Although I used to Jimmy. Amen. We were some beside Musa in memory. You hear? Master Mobus said, are there Christians? What we are Christopher? Or I want to ask you. They can come up, not a ask you. I said, be some of that person. Fisanda, you won't so small. A 224 and then go for a flash or demo by my head. To sneer them. Just a misunderstanding. Nipa one saw them. Are they Christians? To be all we don't know. Now they have to talk about one echo system. Jenny. Na ya mama ebi asido eni o be control se mo atemi e bi asi to Paul except the whole world what is it Titus is saying never be coswa I want Corofobia from what Christopher for Abraham. I see what here. So, Sunday Mamudaho. The Paul the warning. A son for Paul, and the warning my Timothy. That's why they did my Tito. So, we are careful. No, sir, we come to us. ebra ne papa sankofo yi bewi ase na ebra du nie ali ehu wo life nti wonye obi a wonni bible no obeka se nyamesom kristosom ana omo som no enso wo bi ahonhom mo ne asobafo a wo ba beku esom no mu a wo ba so ku yankopon ni ase dinhia omo di Paul am Tito so tra to bible no wo sanko ka ti Timothy wo fanto abonten na emie omo so ni pari subai ne ba cha se o nyame dia bele bia dia be karmo sa sama be kaya sama wudi bi do ni pari ni dia ri sense so amo cha se bi o say and the founder of the church is a Christian ya sabi and the author so bi and the Christian o yet the founder of a particular church is a Christian. So of Mammy, yes, of Mammy, and Alison Cacado, and the Christian. Yes, I am Bishop. What's a call to a clerical? That's how we are so for another Christian. Making cackle over classy. The other Paul and your brain. Ever what Timothy to do coco. That's how to follow we are so. One more thing will yes, no more by yes, move for phone. What will she uncle for you? Now you see this what I'm to forward to gospel. Yes, you buy. Tessa, Mammy for would just obey ya, Brabant Becker. You was a way by phone, I listen to buy the trouble. They met two gospel. And from Kurasi, you buy beyond the direct TV show, and the hell will be under. And you know what? I was a fatal which you see. Because a little bit nearby who are born train, and I said, would you away? The Takas are some way power. Till he opened to be a gospel musician. A gospel musician. Media Benuda. Be our Bruceman, not talk about the national. And I can't go to another time. The other who saw a kiss for me and your appearance. Because Bodam, madman. The appearance in the church, so you bottom me. Will be able to tell the infant to which them. Which in my case, I'm saying, a normal, Margin Tuma. That's my one day about damnation. Which me for one country, every sensible baby, any sensible baby, to become with them. Put me country, so your Christian. What about one tail? What one tail, some Namiko? We have a samba. External and internal holiness makes a particular person a Christian. What does American say? May the ultimate you are showing the iron on America. Because the ultimate be a second so that my what are you to me? Certain Antonio, who diabo? Who wants your name? I saw the certain our bread a woman. I did preaching. Now I'm saying, I'm going to and Matthew chapter 4, verse 6. What in your coyesu ankasanim eko to Yesu in the Bible? What does America say? You can preach and forget it. When you're careful, and when someone who do a good YouTube or YouTube, and be a fact, be a demonic. Paul catcher Timothy says, "Be number 5 on morning church." Peter so report to him. The other man happened to you. You know, Pompire, Saya, Conchana, but church studios. Yet, Kassa. As someone came in Pakuma, one sacred Kosoria. I saw you so Remua. I said, damn, they're Koso. You are somebody. I saw them Remu. I said, 2 for the go. And Germany probably are coming here. Because of Mammy Subai. Have gone for organizing a whole new positions. What was only taking Conanso? They said you be Subai, a big Tadia, a piano, Christolino was a Sunday morning. Obaka said, Mammy, what tell you finish your Seba or ask what bet you. When you now sell Kulasu some way, that's what forces also. But come and I, ya sama kan yi ko so ya de fo enya Bible na mu yusu no dem ho Paul catch Timothy ni Tito mu say Bible yi pa na yusu a because who do say who do train you be to aso who do mo yire be to aso who penti anu yere wani achi a who do say who di nyame atam de who be so catch Nyankopon so onimu nyansa who just my canas anya nwanwa won sama sofo bi na be gu nsori no mu a me be kan se jabro bi ti matam de be ka sama ni pani abom ho so wo de mo bi no abode mo ntia sofo fu bi a wo mo polu tu magre antichrist ne be bawo na wa suma ne nkofo di kan se wo mo fa sa ne be wo be wura ni pamu afa sanchira ne nka ho se de be ni pa kono wo be di achi Tuna Christianity ni paketuwa bi na ya Christopher I'm telling you. Asaba na bio. Asori na dani wiase. Ya so mi. Asori no adani oneness. Tuna ye huru papa. O kai sorry ahudo the whole world ya ba be tupe. They are correct. What is the Bible? No, so you're a student of the Bible. We don't study Bible. No, we condemn the American young person. But we will be able to tell you, Spirit, real Holy Ghost baptism. And I will see a Bible. No, can you see the picture clearly? We make come on to all. Make kasa. Who is the man? So full course for him so. That's me. We yani abre kasa man am for sacre ura so dem. Nipa ne kwa so dem ho so as a 2 for the go. Asori dem mo. First Peter 4 verse 16 down. Kosi 17-18 ho. Nyankopon temu no be sha se fra so fi ho. Peter no mo ogunim de ntu obom kasa. Titus chapter 1 verse 16 Tito say, are there Christians and are they prostitutes? Because Yamanfo ki ka oma no a Christopher ki ka oma no and Yamanfo say high heel a Christopher say high heel no utie na bakosemo a tutu fo no na omo je dan omo de boy jaman Obo sa na so mo ntina peja no mo to na pu koso ti sabe se be ma no pese wo fa no a ne to no apu apentini e simple de ma be ma no to obo sha de boy gaman mo mu sa tutu for one term the history of that high ko bia bon o ru so bi se bia na obi achi the rock has a heaven kro na e copy work o se have the kro ye copy of ma me bo wo ko Hebrews chapter 12 was here hwe di kanfo ni wiefo Jesus ye hwe Yesu ankase ye hwe evangelist bi wo de wuni bibi nti la kwa va so be hwe Yesu ne study the Bible follow the Bible na kacho le tin sam konko ye kacho no na mo bia sensere maso apa empasa mo mpetsam betie no kwe na nyanwanwa sa anti-Christ pastor ti bi abam ene polutu ni pali bi agbe Mje se si America say no. Anya members na sorry ma bi na be di matemo. Because anya sorry ma e kum Yesu. O ta se America no say. Aya so fo mpanyufo e kum Yesu. Je ne wo sa wo kan ko se kim. Ani ko Bible school na ben. Bible school ni ko heaven. Who ko sia Bible no qualify for heaven na. Consultant na for heaven. Also ni Bible papa. The brother Bible say mo nsia Bible. Kokonya sam 91 wa hino di ko 2 years o Matthew 5. Matthew chapter 4 verse 6. Ora bon fa ni ma ni ago. Abaka so bi o preach bia na Nyankopon nipa. Ti ba mu train sam o YouTube no. Mu train sam so ya can be very careful. Ni pare se konko ye ni mu a. Me be ba so mako onye nyame dia. Obon te kire. One ye kire. Subanche. Titus chapter 1, verse 16. Also, Okase, when you Yankopon, one or kill. Nano, Okase. The king. I'm in verse 13, screaming up. Let's see point in the letters. Maybe Yapa, almost a careful for. What will you, pa, baby? I do any better. I don't catch Yame, and so I can come and go on in Yankopon. And suddenly, get to any kind of quiet papa. You had a camera for, had a monument, had a sorry. Okotana also I be carbonate and dampenache ya 227 men ko be console akese a emu ofa nkonya papa me ade fine no problem me preaching just all that say effect me preach I'm not preaching against the nature of the temple you have to worship in no but what kind of people their lifestyle this is sana na security o ye Christoni mo ma me nyina me mu atayo me pasa me mo di power so sat of mamenoa what just for them what platform no so what page president no hye the more no no tell what say we Christoni ba and na sire ni ma gugu no to Christoni me say are there Christians ti asami yo what can say? Or can say? You are Christopher. Or can? And I had the question. Who for crowd this one? Check it inside the door. It's just classrooms. School them in an sorry. A participant being more than sorry. And who am I who will be than sorry? Prayer comes out of the Emma. And so I feel that if I come, but the vehicle, you say you go, a talk, diabo, a Japan in planting. Bribes and corruptions. I feel no question. Sacrifice no more DJ bribes kunkum nipa no. No mo say yin say tugunu. No mo say ebu crofo fa so sisi atom for. No mo say bobo nua. No mo say bobo girlfriends and boyfriends. Nti mo kwa so yana. Are they Christians? So where a true question da bi. Na when it transfer da bi mu de ni pay no ho a. Beka sa bosunfie. They be come community do. When you invest the making, you understand now just simply. Some fool be or what I was a cassette. The one who maybe also do any work. Titus, Paul, catch a Tito, a Tito. And we are the ever banner. Nipa cassette in Murray. Yes, also can want some to and the warning to Metro 7. No moment say, every day, and park back on the Mumbai. Go around of the part of Ghana, park your bench, and the drum and drum, go from Coso Candle, and Coso Candy in us, and the hills for their what is that? Or Castle do Yankupo, a hill for their what is that? Yasama can you say the bois? What the man can't drown Tesoro? Wouldn't be a coffee? You know everything life. And the question is, are there Christians? What can say? Titus chapter 1, verse 16. What can? Number 3, verse 13. What say? I don't see you correct. And you wanna take it? You wanna die straight? Now, I almost did him. Just tell you the me, and what they would give you. A baby who also do any far. Actually, 30 making kind of a mixture over. I saw me and Jim. Sorry, Jim. What you saw the blue Gomorrah, what you say? But see me dying, but Tony Magum, and Jaya Cronobus Sacra, because I may come and name of a cow, and the man law to your cup on. I saw the idea here, and I am Papa there, and I saw the man running here with me. Jansan who the pastor of the public can't go. And let Daniel come come bring me a group. The queen of the culture. What I was so much union swako, because judgment in Sasha What can I do? How painful it is. So when you dear bank have a financial, yes, no better. So when you dear pa, here, who comes from verse 13 or from verse 16 or so, the come into Yahoo also can be. Now business, me kwa adwuma, na me yere, na me ni time, na ndino abon na antichrist for we are on. We need time for Bible. We need time for Bible. And the technology in some paper Bible, they have free nipatry. They say called high tech. The laptop now some for me the preach. Now we be in the Bible laptop room. No can kaya famous or baby I run on the 2 years ago so no be dan chair. With the Bible the first John 3 na ya feel ko so first John or battle no ko he battle to. Na the near the Bible so. We name the strategies of the devil or the other. Fine. Who Bible or laptop so no problem. But get the paper Bible. The Bible paper even if I for it. Now we have technology somewhere. As advancements of technology no, I might be say what? Then kasa do, but I might be no, a very misuse, no. I might be say you feel sorry to hold the paper Bible. Bible here paper. Who's offering so the good paper Bible? Offer them what? Titus 1:16. Wakasa woni onyankopon. Na so wodi wo nyuma, wodi ni nyuma. Na no de ye de mawurade, na so ne ye na awurade dim. Na wari em kwaya ode be ma na fa so no. Oh na no de ne praises e dem ho. Asori fi o to praises down no to kom. Na man ko face na no. Na man fo ti di shiu. Ko kwa ode ni kuru fa so dem. Semfu we o that suba we ye di wura heaven. Jerry the other man the other come in that show. Young person will be able to hear. Crossover be bregu. Koshe kai num to so bi num kwam do be num obu kunu num e fa so kokon. Ya sama no kani. O kawo. Be asofo, be right reverend. Oh, why are they? Usuba je say because nya right reverend e ko heaven e abrabo nye ntidudu awon dia tena so fi na do ko e abrabo koku ya di mu without holiness Hebrews 12:14 e be biti about for one time we are so far fine why are they God bless you cause a very nice post ni kuchawo fine sa kron ya bra bi enyi wuntum simple. Are they Christians or they are weed smokers or they are bribe givers and bribe receivers? Are they not corrupt? Young 1 Corinthians. Who do you call so minimum the American. The Piawan tell the kind of some to you. Some people preach for popularity. Not to win souls for popularity, say because of evangelists, there's some for many part. Why you make mistake in life? But I be out there, be in Yamini. Okukomo. Some petition is a preaching mudia. What come up on Jabba preach come on? Say come home. And dry home. What have Gophobia masturbation? And so they come out as church elders. Thinking that God doesn't see the secrets. Huh? 1 Corinthians 4. Verse 5. If you won't change a better Emobia, baby, I want 10. Encourses a whatever. Or no, they are hinter. A sumu, a behind. No way you could come on, Adi. Ajira tu okukom kuma banfo. Politicians be no number 2 ajira kokum yonko politician. Ya be yi neji. Sikara mu tifi abai wa. Musu de ko yi kwaya manfa nyinu. Ewurade be yi neji. You can't escape, you can't touch God. Every secret deeds come out. One time, when you be a tayo, the American you know, person will be bound so. Obi amu obi atan. Bible say one time, and consider yes beba. I hear more here you are doing work at the beba. Yes, the hotel for them or champion kukuemu. Obey unity, obey your PM and even never will super 40. And are there Christians at all? Outward Christians, secret demons. And then the apostle, hypocritical services. Now, Kim Subai, who would say, where your common code is also above. One canwa, because we holy, but you didn't see one in Tamu. Honorable, how holy that person is. Or your demon, man in the general house. Because Satan to me and was a high buffalo. We were called to see our watchers. When you are Christian, one day for the body, if I come back to the favor, and call every other kidnap a friend. Since you go, sister, a whatever. Or no, I will be a hinter, a sum, the behind. Where you could come a jinadi. And one son when you go home, and you will be a man. Simple. That I Jeremiah 23 verse 24. The Radi will come on. Jago. Ha! What's all that's what you young coupon? There's somebody who will a panel. Or can't. When we young coupon. Minimum rabbit, a rabbit, a rabbit adoma, a rabbit eye, and so bodia. A rabbit eye, so no be a cow. A rabbit eye, and so talk, or no be talk on winter. Oh, a rabbit, so I do be come. A rabbit eye, a rabbit, so tower, yes. And the other Suban Sino. And right there, what the Fadia yo. That's what can you? Dear. What's your castle? When you know young couple. Now, so what do you want? The Lian or the poor young couple. It's not there, or you're rather there, but you will never young couple on a worry. Remember, my born a year Genesis was in a good preacher. In Kulassism way. Or money you come home or Jamquata. And so I saw a prophet. We a demon. Or the only of the other one, something to me, no. I am restless. Didn't have a problem. And I'm going something to me more. But the only thing you can use against demons is your restless life. Sure. Ya ba bre kuta de kwa so ntre bro nsam so ya me I said no be any bad hoso ye hu na Christopher no wo ye bayifo a ye hu adi me hu no bi wo mo bi wo de aboa ye ja sa kuta hu fi so ye so wo de sa ko pie bo nsam de mu a wo bo hu how say the Satan be sia jam mo ho na mo be so nyan so na look at 16 ya asama na bu sikani ndi so nyan sa after they want praise me will be a member numbi e was aseso senko wonya kwai senke malazo so kwai ama ko timia ba obebo mo kokose se bunni bibi anka mo fo ni ntu ha bi ase dia partner so ya sabri yo so there is no point of return papa some na yakasa video hotel yan kasantia e ya libre e no ho do tra o ta sama yakam ya be preach se be pa o ka na o fi no kwasam de catch on bobre yi be ko heaven simple the radiation me catch on o ka so oni mo Nyankopon en so mo de mo nyuma o mo ne ye e tam e wadi oni bibia nji wodi mo Nyankopon na no na wari mo Nyankopon di toro ne yira pam na ko fa ba fofora wan adwuma wona na yira ye wa pam ba no ko ana akofa ba foforo jo no mu diska enso oye elder wa so bi so for no so hwen enso so no so obi ko atimi akoto the extent say otimi ka kire o be ma bi say na yire be ma na yire na ye no ti now aware na egu so for few the onyanko pon the problem let no man put asunder wonam kwa bi so pesa aware ni mu tie o mo papa are you a Christian? Chata bibi a wo ye no it seems that it's against the Bible and so you hold the Bible Bible ikuta wo and you seems that bibi a wo ye no as any Bible no nko as any Bible no nko and so Bible ikuta wo di jira so dem preach Bible ikuta wo de kwa sorry and so how life no a wo bo no a wa appearance any Bible nko wadum kasa ene Bible nko usuba ya ode tim kotem wa amanfo nim ene Bible nko se de wo se ne wo yire tie se de wo se ne wo kuru tie ye de toto Bible ho enko chata na asori are they Christians ana ya asori se fashion abaso yenko bi ti yenko te yenko ye ko entertain ya ho sa wa asori fie ho a ne ya ba abonten ya be tena fie ya kwa asori uko bosomoso nya asori na akọ bosomoso na akọ nko so kwa asori ya kebe katene ne ho asema cho o ta asema metam waso ni wayankopon na so ba ho siesie mu no ye mu yankopon wu waso ko First Peter chapter 3 e ma konkro no obo dress kama enya diamond dress ni bia First Peter 3 verse 1 to 6 obeka wa kire mema so se de obesi na omoyere no matena e wa enimdiem de be ma woni nimdia ontimi nware otase enimdia na ye de ware ba woni oyire wo problem o se butu obo mpai omobo kai First Peter chapter 3 verse 7 First Peter 3:7 ono oyire ya aka ezu butu obo mpai o se mema mo ne moyere no mo training diem sa no oba no ne ade a ne ho nyadi na muni wo muni so oboso ye enkwan adon na bidifo bi they are also precious ma o say na mompa eboto kwa yansi so if you have a problem with your wife your prayer is blocked God nyakopon fiwa nyame won so so full so na sama waka so amfa nya adwuma forget it o fiu kura ya na he baba me se pack be so ne prayer camp nko so ready pa hawo koko hypertension we are also mayale HIV bien ready pa problems suban Christianity is a life of holiness and yet dressing say my yes is of my dress come fine ya kaya nyina no say ebitimi dress e dwamantam no sa ne manema no eno ho but obi so betima dress kama timani atari akome kataro ho be ma so wase ko to abota kataro na so akoma mu e dress e kama nyina no obi ya kawo. Are you a Christian? Babra Yesu no masa na you di no o masa no ya wo follow no that was sitting seven no was strange that the man attack e wa de from born e cho mo so mo ni mo we o so obi ta o pe na wo bom pa isen ka wu o da kwa ka be bodia. Are you a Christian? Yes, system ya bo sina bo sa se ewu ba ko wu ya ene abuosie ewu se me mane ni so fe Kristo ni man sa so na ko ponse fa ya offer stay so mrefi ya ka judgment atem wo bank of we come stevens ana se me tem say we are and from born in church. The righteous people are praying for their enemies, their physical enemies. The righteous people are praying for their physical enemies, and you are rather cursing, condemning, abusing, and then you are doing anything against your physical enemies. So where do you come from? Are you a Christian at all? To Christ or no, who can copy free wow? Hey, you oh, yeah, First Samuel chapter 18. With the Kaya verse 9, the Kokosi verse 12 also. Saul, and what David you want in Boninti, no, I what just as a baby you as a woman. What does it? Topia pe David yeku na kompo no munye papa o ta sama yeta evil heart and so still o claim say o Nyankopon dia o nyame o say you careful ate Christianity that's all them nko ato the Paul say Tito ka kira manfo wo ka se oni mo Nyankopon na so o de wo nyuma the Christian a o twempa. And then boys, look at boys, girlfriends. For 20 boys in Antai. Now come here, the only plan. To Joseph was one way. And Crawford got my more bar, over to be general, one way. 90% of the youth and man masturbations throughout. When a guy cover, or them pass up cover. Or tell napkin be what did the bam want to tell the bam son of Boban or play with napkin or their hempana, the now enough. The Wadi Papa. So are there Christians? You are some of you. When you want Yankopo and no, and so the Nipper be a move when you want Yankopo. The platoon to me, you quiet already. Baba will lead back from 1 Corinthians 6, verse 19 and 20. And 1 Corinthians 3, verse 16 and 17. Sir, Yamia saw that would be Pabiano. Then Sino, because who Sana, when you go possible sell. What the secret, what the Jamamo sell, what the bleaching, or read their own performance, what they sell. And you come out and tell the people that you are a Christian. The question is, are they Christians? Yes, some of you. Obi do man of Bogia. Who has to buy one? You see, say, Christ me. Bibi away for them come out. And you told asa all the activities. Away. And so Bravo Concon party. No. I don't know Biaka. What does it? Uncle was it one fracti, the Titus 1:16. Was it? Oye nipa ochiri wo mo de abominable people afa no mama o tekene na bi ho na no mo no so se nei and na de gabe almost omo ya chiwade ye on fra manu pa bi ahwe o to do se na on fra emma enuma pa bi a na so asofo bi de omo ye enuma ye ka brabo yan ka de wutimi ye na so abrabo to say. How do you appear to people? Send any person who you are assembly you. You are assembly any Romans chapter 12 verse 1 and 2. Paul said, "We are more than who say we are see." So we tell Yankupo mo bro hunfo, Yankupo bro hunso e tumu fo say. Hunfo mo ni pedua nsi wo sa for the etiase. Wo di pedua pesi. Sa for the etiase. Wan ka se wa koma nko a na ye wura dia. Wo se e ni pedua. When you achieve, you need to be a count. We train you, you need to be a. What I say, one no left, you need to be a. Or more than I was saying, you need to be a. What I say, rings no more was said, because that is an man. First Timothy chapter 2, verse 8. The First Peter chapter 3, and so verse 1 echo. Rings and this and now so for the body baby. As I cast rings here. What did you go for me? But who were you here? Bible says, yes, you can say. We dress in the Nicolas. What has my account? Yes, I got a saddle 33. Make a hocker. Would you say, I'll be in tea and go point in Israel 100? Casabon, you my hook can be an few more. Me mean few more. Me one nante. Exodus 33, verse 4. Was no money change some money, you know. Was the Uncle Castle or new monk? Double change answer, you know. Then I answer money, the amount. Was it with the Abubu? No be a answer a hook can be. I don't know man sell my hook can be. Their jewels, their rings, their necklaces, their bundles, everything. Oman Baho can be an said. The verse 5. Wasn't it a rather country Moses said? Country Israel for the said. We are by a Mokoa Sri. My software be my Sri Mokon, Yabe Cairo. And didn't come about will also be a movie. What does American? Christo di Copa, Bacas or Cobo Sonso. ya dia ba asem ni ya ma ni abere ni ha ya ni kemfo bi aho but ya ni abere kan kwaje sem na nipa ne sakra no wo kwa asore no no asan ko hia nkofo bi wa asore dem ho a na to nipa de suntu bi ama fe nipa na bra ko asa sembo Ewurade beba was it about the catcher verse 5 Exodus 33 verse 5 Ewurade catcher Moses say o catcher Israel for the say wo yo ma omakom asesere sa wodi mu kakra bi ene mu kwa enka mesimu so na fei yibo ho a wo kekandia na me hunu de meyemo get off all the necklaces, the rings, the rubber, the bangles, everything. Get off everything from the hands and from the neck, from the waist. Wuyi somade do ne sa ne manu fifiri mo ho. Na fe mi hunu de meyemo. Die Oko Ezekiel chapter 16 ya mo nkai from 1 nkosi 3. Wo kai si verse 14 wa won jiase. Yankopon na dibi ekoti brebi ya mo mpe cassette ni bi emu veltra ko YouTube asori mu abrabo by evangelist Paul Ewua asori mu abrabo be the telephone number kan mo mpe bi ntiu ya kasa ne manyina ho asem ho asofo bi nimba out be kasa ye bone o mo bo papa ya so Old Testament na wonyi ni New Testament so e what I say First Timothy chapter 2 verse 8 what ya ho sese de no sese ho de was a wo de se ene de ni kwasa wo de se Paul catcher Timothy ene malti so ye kata nyina wa kan nyina wo First Corinthians 11 na so na fe konsori bu kore se kristo kata no jamai ni ahohomone a awurawura mba ni bemma ni bi munti ahomone awura mba du munti ko fe se tire fe de kata so a sa mbe shin kurase mbe shin no a ai sa ponko trinyi bi no e aba so afa abanfo di akiri almost every Christian e ko pesa bia Ukof 2 Timothy 2 verse 8 one 9 obecho why should anya sika se onya mmesa wo wacha asema ya kanase atade anso de besa mo ni wu ade na atade nan kata onya nwene fa ntomo nyina gu asore we boso mba na za we ha bagu firi na we Kristo ya Ukop 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 1 hokwa sa tete ma konkon hana as the root Mary no o man say so ho akobisam sa ho ya kai 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 5 Ode Exodus 33 verse 4 5 and 6 ode wa kai go ya kan ho asema na sim say binum nche de ya kana say are there Christians at all say 224 participate why is that Christian for so practicing ti na odi Kristo ni gina ho ayi be huzo Kristo ni dia yesi nyame so ye wa komam nje wo senka ho mebo a be dia wo apata shama o siaye bi si gra fe dia o siaye ti wo senka ni padua ho mebo a akoma no nko ani Nyankopon be yi akọ akoma no nko na wo be yi e dia akọ se wo nan na wo ni padua aka no nka mebo a wudi ma wo mo ni bi adi mu yi adwuma ko asakra ma be me mu be wo me kasa cho play we sansem wo nyani panyina ntimika wo le person frame di matam ana frame bu sama samo evangelist Paul Ewua e wo 024 117 1896 024 117 1896 frame ya samni there are some I come so they ba be ni papa right from the temple of God asori fia now go John chapter 2 verse 14 down yesu chia ba wo Pharisee for so mu ya asori panin for so he mu ya asori dem ya sami yo start to dey see Roman for so dem si wa ere yesu cross no kokoto ere Exodus chapter 20 verse 1 equals 5 enye honi bia na nkutu wo mo eyi fa no mu ya mo sum ni free o mo kutu honi na the whole Methodist church Birmingham and John Wesley sorry me report did last week na me kan wa hado report abi nyansa fe mema ne ma yesi e mo kwa mama ware afa de be pie gan ha ne ye de Ghana Methodist Church omo so be ya sama no kan yi ya sama yo Methodist afore mpanyimfo no panyimfo pa no menimu ranks no sade tie wo bo mpa na se eche bi bua wo ti so according to 1 Corinthians 11 so was it by my bomb fire and you can't Catholic so nti o mo mra to metro yi ye ti na o mo di bibu o mo ti sa bi no e cha kitu abele gina ho tsan o babu ye kasa o preacher me preach so obi so be wura so da bi mu a won kwa sori a e ya so ye gina babu so kan ko gisa ti na ya pinpoint ni e mabiru we ya men fan so ma on dunka what does my kana so Munya bo se wiasi Romans chapter 12 verse 1 and 2. The moment I did for section mo the first John chapter 2 verse 15 and 16. Mun no wiase. Asem ni yo. Wiase gro, wiase nyom, wiase dress. De wiase for the year. Kristo ni enno enkopesa ade no. John chapter 15 verse 17 to 19. Jesus se mun firi wiase ha. Na yi ma firi ha. Ti na wiase tamu. Ti ka wo sanye okuro ni wiase ha. Wo sakra pre. Wa tere wo di asem kwam mum. Enti you believe in different culture. Wa mamra nko. Ti asaba e kan yi. Won ti asem bo so a kyerew. Wo sia de wiase ye. Wiase yo. And aware ukwa aware area aware sabe and sorry me pipa si chesi kato aware so no who some of money area to aware so the name ran tell be ntimi nware na to omne mpana chen wa koto we abranje be wara je say 10,000 Ghana cedis and 100 million any achiri nipa nso wonna wanya ba adwuma na je oya ba adwuma kura na ka dia yesai onso akono wonu ogumba yi so the youth leader wanyem 4 e wa soro nu ara de yanwa wariem ti asami yo nyame yi chachira de anto so se for 20 million kwa ba ho ade o abusuan te ase a de abusuan be busa simple no maye kama no obi anya na yire ene ba tima su nyame oh awade hu ni pamobo ade hu ni pamobo me won samka so me bere na tiam. Are they Christians? And they are copying the word. Nipe bodua when you say you do good so a Christian. Wajani kuno akofa bema for ware also a Christian. Babra Bible so beri yaniku na so jana on wari biem so be ware a wan sane ni kunu nkobom. When you am treasure ho 1 Corinthians 7 verse 6 equals 12 wa kai. We here da yeso here so ko tra mountains. Wako ya country will be able to wase. It's simple. Bible is very simple. It's very classic. When you kuna kofa be ma foforo, unya asofu bi suma ni be sira so ma. Mo so ni ma asofu ana aba no. Na mi danyame ase ebi so ya kama. Asofu no bi egudo, ebi kan kwanje sam kindi kwama urade Yesu. Ebi so ya campaign di me demons and antichrist. Ti wa wo ya so re ba no woni na. Yasami bema jana hire no kofa ba fofo san kola na bo ba no so wo body bra hu bi ase de wo pe bi ti abosom so san ti aso dem e bi ya ka wo ayaka dem emagofo ya ka mem bi so ya ka na na pa ntokwa so koso aso de mu ne mu ante nso yasi Kristo ne tin bi de mo shan yo ya ha mi no mo pa ko ebi no so ba warefo a wa ware o eso de no ko kamini kunu wo mpa so ko he jinsi pa wo de asha wo de akoda yete wo twini kuna so so mani kunu ma no wa bra Bible say oba mfa won kamini kunu 1 Corinthians 7 sabe o si emu adwaman na ko ba ba ko amani hunu kunu saa so na do ho kamini kunu wo de ko amani hunu kunu ha awade hu ni pamobo what sense go so me say I dey Christians Oba muni kum osori ni kumwa with na no chop ti bi chedu kurasum nti enso asori no waja so wana to koye kwan leader wa so dem are they Christians or the idol worshippers because Abraham ya de kasa o ye de otimi wa so dem ti ebi Elizabeth to mun tumu so koso e ma de ma no do be say wo mo ho ebi kunkum nipa ebi tinkrofo ho tro bi sen wo ye probu that way na koso so nti the whole difference between asori no and Christian biase na he de Bible no ka sample for we wadamfo ni obi a wadamfo ni o mu bi ade no so we your attitudes towards them. 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 5 banfo bi o wan so 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 5 wo kare won anim kire nyame so mpa na so opa emu ahoden na anim ne de o say Awurade ya ka so but emu ahoden a ye fe no konkron ya brabo sa no ahoden no de be ko heaven no no wa pa ato nchan na so na anim no de kare na anim kire se aso osom Yesu nso na ni subai no nkire e de be kwa ankofo na ba wiase now have the top line no 2 Timothy 3 verse 5 was it Sani pai sai koi sa sorry dane ho firi wo ho yes simple me jasem ni ma sorry mu de be so sansam fu we so dana me ja sa sorry do ko na me ka kire mu because ma kai Bible na hu ye wom enya me hu ti wo ba be ka sa fe de yem fa nya adwuma that particular day I'll pack my things and leave the church. What a trim Bible said Daniel ho every one ho Sadi pai ya de ni mu de Christosum e Awurade de Awurade dia but wo ko na bra bom wo ko asori no mu a wo hu Christo wo no stay away from those churches from those people na da so tiko e men so na sa na Awurade de Awurade ba to okay what is Sadi pai wo so time bo 2 Timothy 3:12 Paul catch Timothy say wo mo di nyame so mpa e betena ase e wo Kristo Yesu mu nyina wo mu nyina wo ni bi amfiri e betawo enti wo ka wo so time bo a wo so se nipa be di wa time bo a e de tene mu sa na ko bo nsam di because ni friend tire ni friend ni kwaya wo mi enu nyina Yesu ne kan yo Matthew 15 Yesu ne kan wo mi enu nyina o te sa sorry no sofo ne ya papa asori endless ne papa asori dike to mama nye papa wa we suba ne to Bible na you see say nye correct now that's what you know we be kojim the friend ni kwala we nyama na treasure wo mi yemi nyina be kojim e kwamnim tinfo Bible says stay away and fa woni mfa so wo ye free ho say doctors asesa na nye kokko yeso no mu gina stay away about Mark chapter 9 Mark 9 cancel your job to the bias me kwa sem patim ko asem ni israel ne ye mi phone lines ni tu Europa o big personal line de kasebia de tam nusa de bi ni trimo de kwa mo nto airtime what you say we just got to sponsor footballs na we ade beba enche me nim best start generational curse e ho adi hie bi na obete ni ma bi ase nema wo spend your time no musika wo ho e ba be yesu sanso ama wo daache Abraham spend ni bi yi e ne pe Israel Abraham asefo wo dey fa wo dey talk condom why anko po djuma hia se nipa e be boa ye nya sika de ye nema kese adaache e be gya na sase wo yesu ha ko ye nya sika e de ye nema e be gya na sase wo yesu ha ko dile ana mesraw phone lines no me okay me the time nusa wo sam kapa anti o pesa o framia ana de je me ntu ni o mi bietum de amman 5 minutes aka
era bia say e point 5
sa mate ne ma men kasa kakra cause many abe amen mo
e ba 2 minutes bi fa course
mate and ase so asemi o fo bi timo de ni sika nyenya bidwuma nkasa babara me na me fan koto kan na mo e de boy dem nyadwuma no na bogra e DJ me de toka be ma no e haram Ya sabu yo me fa fom na me ba ya nkata mbeti ya me nka mentimi nkasa titi o so hu se de o so ni ti e ma ko asempati nkon e nya bre papa de o waso no wontie woni aso akọ because asem na me kana e bon sam ja ene ha ni ntama de wo pu a wo ko gem wo fa wo ko hem me nya me adum nsaba me kana ye nkwa wo hwe ye nim de ye firi ate ye me bubu obi ambagma me ton candle ye ntwago toilet na me ton he na me ton kuto bo obi ye ne ko he na me kan ho ase ti sa wo de kwa sha sabe na makeka bibi matam na class emfa ho de wasoma me da ubo ni bia ye mu no ti me bobo da ubo na guma ko se wo wu beba yem mana tempo ntre yen tritre na kwai no wo ba abebu atan eno ne ye be kan ho ase ti woni se wa kwai ntina toto kwai yi wa wo magu ya se wo hwe wo mo ye ko kan eno ya be atanfo ya se ni yo ke mark yes Paul katre Timothy sankrofobia mo te sa no a wo manim no asofobia mo te sa no a wo manim no e asofo ya asofo mo musu ban ye no stay away from them obedi wa kama mo mani watem don't forget them kra ti asemi hwe Mark chapter 9 ti Mark chapter 9 bi je be ba wate Mark 9 verse 47 was it that when ni eto so ntudia when ni hia pa enso se be ma problem na mount hwe de okaso so di ni fa betu ntudia tu na eye ma wo se wo de ani ba ko e be ko nyankopon ahenim esene sa wo ani mienu wo de wakoto mani hunu ku wacha se enti se nipa na wo to so ntudia ni suban ye no a asori no a enye papa na de o ya se papa asori na ha yo me sha do some ana mu say saba bia nipa tu nipa go no wrong
bia
it was all ya say you walk Christ no odi adanse say was say something say
you may now subscribe.